Hello everyone, I'm Kramer Nunez, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can activate your Xnode license powered by D.E.B.T. Well, the first thing you're going to do is you're gonna, after you've done all the previous steps we showed you in the other videos, you know, like purchasing your license and creating your D.E.B.T account, you're gonna go to products over here, okay? And once you go to products, you're gonna go ahead and click on Xnode account. Okay, and here you will see that you have one license waiting to be activated. Okay, it's very important to note that you have to be logged into your D.E.B.T account in a different tab here. Okay, so make sure you first log into that before you click activate, or it'll just go saying it's activating, and 15 minutes later it's going to be back to inactive. You know, so we click here and log into D.E.B.T. Type in your newly changed password because you created your account correctly, and once that's done, okay, well, once you're logged in, you can go back here and click activate. Okay, so here it's just letting us know that for the first during this beta period, about 90 days or so, you're going to be doing the hosting on our platform. Okay, but after that you're going to either have to get a D.E.B.T and run it from there, or pay a nominal fee to IX to do hosting on our servers, or do it on your own. What I would suggest is getting your own D.E.B.T and run as many nodes as you can from there. Once you're ready to click activate, just hit it here. This number right here, this number here is your actual license number. Once you're ready to hit activate, do it. It's done. It's active now. You can go back here and refresh, and you'll see that you have one NAT-G license running, one node. Okay, you can click here and you'll be able to see your mining balance, which obviously right now it's 0. Okay, current cycle, how much you've mined last cycle. Pretty soon you'll be able to see market value. Okay, just once it's actually on an exchange like PancakeSwap. And then how many actual licenses you have. You can also go to wallets over here, and as you can see, Black Gold is already on PancakeSwap, so is the DET coin. Okay, now we're just waiting on natural gas. It should be coming soon. Here you get to see your license information again, and as you can see, it's perpetual, so it's just not going to run out. And how many boxes you have, which right now we don't have any boxes. Okay, and once again, if you go back to the reward section in the NAT-G area, it'll say that mining cycles are 24-hour cycles, and they actually start at 7 p.m. Peru time, so 6 p.m. Utah. That means that since it's 5 p.m. in about 2 hours, this license should start mining. Okay, and well, it's that easy to get this set up. Just go back to the Xnode account area, and you will get to see that now you have one node running. Okay, again, you see your license information right here, your ID, and you'll be able to see if you have any that are processing or inactive nodes or licenses on here. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for joining us for this video. I hope it helped. Glad to be of service. Hope that you get to see the other videos and help you build your IX business a little bit better, a little bit easier, and much success to y'all. See you around.